guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Harper, my best friend, and I'm going to be telling you a story that literally, what happened? That literally just happened.
I will leave, I'll ask her to leave the link, description,
I
my
can't do
YouTube channel, my YouTube channel.
You don't even have a YouTube channel.
No.
Okay, so here, we'll start off. So, me and Harper were on the electric scooters, right? And I heard a scream, and she was on the other side of the neighborhood, and I was on this side. So,
She decided to split up.
Yeah, I decided to split up. But then my mom, I heard a scream, and I thought that was her because it's like her first time probably, or like going on a really fast electric scooter. Is it your first time?
No, I've been on it once. But
Oh, she's been on it once, so this is like her second time.
Yeah.
And she was on an electric scooter, so I thought she fell. And I heard a scream, so I'm like, Harper? And she heard that scream too, but it wasn't her screaming. She thought it was me yelling her name, but I only yelled her name after that scream happened. So I went to my mom. I rode my electric scooter back home full speed to my mom, 20 miles per hour, back to my mom. And so I told my Mom, I think Harper fell down. I heard a scream. I heard Harper scream. And she's like, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. So she gets on the electric scooter, and I'm like, well, no, I say, you could get on the electric scooter. So she hops on the electric scooter, and she goes searching for Harper. Just like a minute later or so, I was looking down the street, and I see Harper going full speed down the street, and she's like yelling, Sunny, Sunny, Sunny.
I saw her, and I was so happy because I got really scared because I couldn't find her.
Because she also heard a grown man scream or something.
So there's these little houses basically. Duplex, and I saw this man when I was going around. I saw this man screaming at someone, but it was really weird because I didn't see anyone up there though. And at the same time, I was freaking out, so I rode away really quick. And then I found her screaming at her. And then we went around. So we went around, and both of us heard a bunch of screams, so it was really weird.
Yeah. So we met up, and my mom was, and I'm like, Mom, that scream wasn't Harper. And no, Harper came to me saying, Did you scream, Sonny? You screamed. And I'm like, no, I didn't. You screamed. And she's like, no. So then I told my mom, and I'm like, no. So I asked Harper, did he get hurt? Did he fall off? And she's like, no, why? And I'm like, I heard a scream, and she said I did too. So we told, no, don't shut the door.
I'm not shutting it. I'm not shutting it.
So we tell my mom, and I tell my mom on the road saying, Mom, that wasn't Harper screaming. That was none of us screaming. So my mom went back inside, kind of worried, I guess, something like that, whatever you could say. And so we go back on the electric scooters while my dad is at the grocery store. So we're on the electric scooters, and we hear too many screams. So we go to my, I don't want to say his name though, for special reasons. Yeah, I just don't want to say his name. But it's a buddy of my dad's or something like that, and he lives in our neighborhood. So I told him, and I said, did you hear that scream? And he said, yeah. And, me and Harper both asked him. And he said, yeah, I heard it from coming over there. So I'm like, okay, because, we heard that scream too. And, yeah, and all that. So we went off, and then we heard the weird scream. And we heard, 3 different types of people scream. And then we heard the scream. So we went on the other side of the neighborhood, and we saw, we heard that's a tape ball.
A table?
A tape ball.
Oh.
So, Nolan. Okay, well, that was my brother. But yeah, no! I can't say his name. Nobody can say his name because he doesn't want me to when he's just bothering us. Here, you have to go yell at him and say, get your buddy butt cheeks out of it. Okay, so then then we moved on to that house, and Harper, and we heard another scream coming directly from that house, and Harper's like, oh gee, I know that came from that house, that's right there. And after she said that, like this man or something, he started walking up to the door or the gate in his backyard, and we heard like lots of branches crickle and all that. So we were worried, and we drove off telling my mom, but then as soon as we got to like my street or something like that, we heard sirens, like ambulances, fire trucks, and police officers. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's bad. And we will probably show you this later, but not now. And I probably won't be able to do it on my iPad, iPad, whatever you want to call it.
Dory almost got hit by a car.
Oh, Dory almost got hit by a car. But yeah, I'll tell you. So we told my mom, saying, Mom, Dad, we heard that scream. And again, and you're like, okay, I just don't want you going back there. So we didn't go back there, and that's all really. We'll let y'all know more if there's anything else that happens.
We might go out there, but
Yeah.
just not right now, because, like,
And they would only be like 2-minute long videos, though, because it's probably going to be on my mom's phone since I can't take the iPad out there. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!